Hi everyone, this is Jose Vega, your federally certified court interpreter with legal translations, where we speak the language of your world. I come to you today to tell you about a phone call that I got this week. Someone was requesting a translation by someone that is certified by the state and by the county. And I want to clarify this once and for all. In the United States, this may seem hard to understand for someone that is from another country. In other countries, you have a bar association of translators. You have an association of translators that is part of the state. Unless you are registered with that association or with that bar, you are not allowed to translate any official document. This person needed a document to be translated officially. So here in the United States, we do not have an association, kind of like the Florida Bar Association, where you have to be registered with the Florida Bar in order to practice law. We do not have a bar of translators, Translators Association, where you have to be registered with this association, or otherwise you cannot practice the profession of translation. I'm using the word translation as opposed to interpreting. Now, we do have certification for interpreters, but that's a different story. I'll leave that for next video. Talking about translations, we do not have such an entity here in the United States, in none of the states. So what we do have is an independent, nonprofit organization, the American Translators Association, and we have several other associations like NAJIT, National Association of Judiciary Interpreters and Translators. Now, we're members of both of those associations, but these are voluntary, and there is no rule that we know of that will force an attorney to use someone that is certified or registered with one of these associations. So the requirements here in the United States are very different from other countries. And we just have to provide a certification from the translator. And you can find this in immigration website where it tells you what the requirements are. The translator has to say that they certify that the translation is done to the best of his or her ability, that they are a professional translator, provide their address, and just sign it. Just a brief statement. It doesn't even need to be notarized. So that's immigration. And then on the local courts, in the local courts, you will have to deal with whatever judge you have and whatever requirements they have. Usually they're very lenient. As long as there's no opposition, no objection to the translation, you should be okay. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. Please, if you like the video, if you like videos like this with short tips and tricks for your law firm, please like and subscribe so you can be notified every single time we get a new video out. Thank you very much for joining us.